viewers, and whatever video this will go, either this whole Daily Motion or somewhere else, or you know, subscribers, viewers, newcomers, whatever you want to call yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Alright, what I'm going to be starting with is how you can actually watch the new IPTV link that I've installed. I'm going to say something that just explains something that I'm doing here, so let's just go. First of all, to use up the IPTV on XBMC, the one that I'm using right now is the XBMC is version 13.2. I'm sticking away from 14 at the moment, but I will be using 14 later on. Now, to set it up, first of all, go to System, Settings, Live TV. Make sure that you've enabled Live TV. Once you've enabled Live TV, then you need to go into Add-on, enable the add-on PVR clients. Now there's a chance that if this is your first time setting up, it will come here and it will give you a very long list of IPTV clients. So you're gonna have to set up PVR IPTV simple clients. Once you set up that one, you're just gonna have to set up. You have to enable it. See, this one is this. I've got disable here. That means it's actually enabled. So I've got an option to disable it. So if you want to disable it, you can, but that's not a good idea. If you want to enable it, that is a good idea. So enable it, and then click on configure. Once you click on configure, then you make sure that it's in the general is set on remote path. And I mean, if you have your own M3U file, which is I've got here one here, you can actually change your own M3U file. But if you don't want to use an M3U file, you want to use the link that I'm using right now. I'm going to show you. The link is, which you all know. Now this started off as a temporary solution. Okay. bit.ly/Hashem2014. Now, let me be clear here. First of all, this link leads you into loads of IPTV links that I've collected from the internet that I'm not broadcasting. So if you guys think that I'm broadcasting this, just forget it. I ain't got the equipment to do it. I ain't got the resources to do all this stuff. I'm just collecting it and making it easier for you guys to actually use it. Okay, the next thing is make sure that cache M3U is not ticked. If you tick this, it's going to be a bit of a problem next time it gets updated. An EPG, and this is where I want to talk to you about. I'm scrapping the EPG program. I'm not going to do any more EPG. Every time I try to either use somebody else's EPG or use some or try to create an EPG, it times out. It's too much headache. I think I'd rather concentrate on the live TV stuff. EPG. If somebody has got an EPG that wants to help me out with it, then fair enough, I'll put it in there, or you can put it yourself for your own use. If you want to share it with the public, by all means, I'm happy to share it for you, or you can share it and we can share both of us. Channel logos, I'm not going to get into that until I get into Kodi 14.0. Now there is another thing that you should know, that this link has got too many IPTVs, and I'm trying to track as much as I can. So, and you're gonna see now in a minute how many there are. But I'm pressing OK. Press OK. It says need to restart. Yep. So right now, my God, it's 2055. All right, it's 2055 channels. Yeah, it's fine. So I'll explain in a minute now. And once you've done that, there's two options. Now, if this is your first time, you're gonna have to restart your XBMC. If this is not your first time, do not restart your XBMC. Do the go to System Settings. Yeah. Settings. Go to Live TV and reset EPG. Oh, sorry, not reset EPG. Reset PVR. All right, you see that now that I've reset it, it's actually now trying to resync the channels. Okay, go back to the home. I'm here holding on the live TV. Okay, see the channels I've listed, and I'm clicking, and this is it. You can see the time that I've updated this is 8 o'clock, about an hour ago. I've been up all night, 6 hours ago. Some of the channels are dead. I haven't removed them yet. I can tell you that now. I need to remove some of the stuff. I call it stuff like it was 1995.
Mistake.
The law doesn't.
Yeah. Like I said, this is not my channel. This is just somebody else's. I've just picked up the the URL and just used it here. So the point is that now there's quite a bit of channels here, and I'll try to update the sports channels quite a bit. I've added quite a bit of loads of different countries. I've added them all in here. The reason why I did that is because of this. The live TV's channels that I've added, actually, there's quite a bit of them. Let me just show you. Here's the sports. There's this one. Not sure if this is still working. Yeah.
And that's defense. Let your defense create the offense. And
I really should put it on mute. Right, that one is working. Okay. Not sure if these are working still. Probably not. They time out all the time.
Alabama and Oregon are the odds makers. Picks to face each other.
Okay, I'm surprised that's still working. Okay, so now I'm gonna go down all the way down to some of the new ones that I've just added. Okay, USA Live TV. There's more USA Live TV. There's quite a bit USA Live TV. Other sources. Other sources is I've got here added Israel. These are the uncategorized ones. More USA's channels here. National Geographic stuff, English and Russian. So you can see that this is actually, the way that it works for English and Russian, for example. Let me see if this one is working.
Сегодня в 21:50 на Fox
You
Live.
just have to change. You have to change the source of the audio. Once you change the source of the audio, that's when you get your channel. Okay. For example, Jam is I think that's English. Come on, Jammy. Small BT Sports stuff. Like I said, I need to categorize this on, but I think I'm gonna leave that to you guys in a minute. Oh, Jam was working this morning. It's not working now. God knows what's going on. These things sometimes, they happen. And Cartoon Network is working. So, and again, this one is where is it? Oh, English and Russian. BT Sports, Sky Sports, a bit slow these ones, but these links do work. MTV ones, standard stuff here. More sports channel, more Italy channel, Germany channel, France channels, French ones, yeah, cool. Bulgaria, Greece, Hungary, not the Hungary that is in you want to eat, it's Hungary as well as the country. Croatia, Albania, Romania. They're not, like I said, it took me a long time to collect all this stuff. I spent 6 hours last night, and it was a nightmare. But I think you guys, it's probably going to be worth it if you guys use it. Now I've categorized some of them here, like Turkish. I've added here. This one is like English, Thai, Indian. See what else. I've categorized some. I put them under a group. Here, this is Arabic, for example. Not sure if the Arabic ones are working.
1 ل 18 هو المجتمع والناس بتقوله
Fantastic, that is working. Alright. Yeah, so I've added actually quite a bit of Arabic ones. I've put them all under the Arabic grouping. Oh god, they don't end. They never end. There's more and more, and then I've added more here. So these ones are different. Okay. Okay, we got here more Russian. Like I said, I've categorized loads of them, and you know, maybe if I just click in one. Now the Russian ones, the Russian are pure Russian. They're not going to be double audio, but you could try. There's, you know, like a Disney Russian, I think.
Не забудь, как запахнет пиццей, сворачиваем налево.
Yes, I understood exactly what that is. No, not really. Okay. Nickelodeon Russian, Russian, more Russian stuff. Sky Sport Russian. Then we got French. The old ones, these ones, I have no idea if they're working. Bulgarian, more Bulgarian channels. Yeah, go Bulgaria. Quite a bit, very good actually. You got Spain, more some kids channels. I have a feeling that not all the kids channels working. I'm still going through this. More Turkish ones, more Polish, Spanish, and there you go. So that's, you know, 1909 channels. But if you want only probably just a little bit of those channels for yourself, you don't want them. For example, the Russian ones, you only want the Russian ones, or the English ones, you only want the English ones. Then what you do is you just go into System, you go to Live TV and Channel Manager, and there you go. This is a very good tool that XBMC has. XBMC, what it does is you can select which one you want, hide it if you don't want it there. You can hide it, you can disable it, you can delete it, you can create your own list from this, you can activate the EPG. There isn't an EPG for it, but you can. You can disable it, you can tell it what group it is, what group it should be. You can do this, you can deactivate it. Yeah, you go. Yeah, that's all. You can edit the channel. You can put a new group. Group management, here you go. Add a group, create a group, and this is very good. Oh, I just froze my computer. Oh, I froze my computer. Come on, wake up. Oh, here we go. Oh, wake up. Right, so computer's woken up. So there you go, and you can just select whichever one that you think is working, and you put it on. Now this is a very good tool for you. For, you know, you can even use like search channel. Oh, not even working there. But you can use search channels, probably in Kodi 14. But let's leave search channels since it's not working for me. I don't want to think that search channel is working, so let's just leave that. But Channel Manager is definitely working. Then you can actually put in whatever you like. You can then customize your own channel list. Now, to make sure that your channel list is always smooth, always running, always load up very quickly, come here and reset your, in the general, reset your PVR database. Now you cannot reset the PVR database while this is running. If you try to reset the PVR database while this is running, you'll just crash your XBMC. You'll have to start all over again. So this is the important thing. Right. So I've tried my best to try to add as much as I could. And I've randomly just clicked in front of you. They are mostly working. All you have to do now is just, you know, go ahead and try it. Thank you very much. See you later.